This is eShopSpyGear007.com, and today we are going to talk about IP camera socket. So here we have the box and user manual, 2 screws, and here we have the socket, electricity socket itself. So we can take the lid off and mount it inside the wall instead of the regular socket. We have the USB ports, and here we see the camera here. We have the micro SD slot over here, so the camera can record video to this SD card. The camera is connected to Wi-Fi with a phone, with application, or with an app, and then you can connect to the camera from anywhere in the world. It can also work from motion, so if there is motion, the camera will record video to the SD card. So that is all I want to tell you about this camera today. Thank you for watching. You can find the link where to buy this camera under the video. And this was eShopSpyGear007.com. See you later.